is getting absolutely smashed up by Reug. The referee is...
1 round, 5 minutes under his belt against a very high-level heavyweight.
Reug takes it. The Senegalese, Senegalese star has floored Sofiane Boukissou, who is just recovering. Taken credible. Vega mental.
That is
Reug
wild.
On the Ares Arena, we have just seen one of the greatest MMA debuts, I think, ever.
You are correct, my friend. He fought a man in his 10th professional mixed martial arts fight. He lit him up with his hands, moving through space, accelerating through the gap as he threw big, powerful punches. In round 1, he took him apart. And can you feel this, my friend? Dakar, Senegal, on the great, beautiful continent of Africa. And this man just lit a fuse.
Hard. Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we should be live once again with Fernand Lopez, and we should be live with another very promising heavyweight serial gang of the UFC.
I'm going to go into the cage and have a couple of words through his closing distance and finishing his man with strikes. He looked phenomenal in the wrestling game, that Luta Senegalese wrestling game in round 1, and in round 2 he took his man apart.